In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase download speed on Chrome using a few simple methods that can make a real difference. If you often download large files and feel like Chrome is moving too slowly, this tutorial is for you. We'll start with the best method first, then cover a few quick fixes that can help speed things up even more. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first and best method is to enable parallel downloading in Chrome. This is one of the easiest ways to improve download performance, especially for larger files. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click in the address bar at the top and type chrome://flags, then press enter. This will take you to Chrome's experimental settings page. On this page, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click inside that search bar and type parallel downloading. As you type, Chrome will filter the results and show the matching option. When you see parallel downloading, look at the drop-down menu next to it. By default, it's usually set to default. Click the drop-down and change it to enabled. After you enable it, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and click relaunch. Chrome will restart, and your setting will be applied automatically. Once that's done, parallel downloading is turned on, and this can help improve the speed of large file downloads by splitting them into multiple connections. It's a quick change, but it can make a noticeable difference. Now, let's move on to method 2, which is all about improving your internet connection itself. Even if Chrome is optimized, your download speed will still depend heavily on the quality of your connection. One of the best things you can do is use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection is usually more stable and faster, which means fewer interruptions and better download speeds. If Ethernet isn't possible, try moving closer to your router. The farther you are from the router, the weaker your signal can become, and that can slow down downloads. Also, if your internet is acting up, a simple router restart can help refresh the connection. Just unplug the router, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. After it restarts, try your download again and see if it improves. Next, let's use method 3, which is clearing Chrome's cache. Over time, Chrome stores temporary files, cookies, and browsing data that can sometimes become outdated or corrupted. That can affect browser performance, including download behavior. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. In this window, make sure you select Cache and Cookies. If you want a more thorough cleanup, you can also review the time range and choose All Time. Once the correct options are selected, click Delete Data. Chrome will remove the stored files and clean things up in the background. This can help fix strange browser issues and may improve overall performance. So to recap, if you want to increase download speed on Chrome, start by enabling parallel downloading, then make sure your internet connection is as strong as possible, and finally clear Chrome's cache to remove any old corrupted data. These 3 steps are simple, safe, and easy to do even if you're not very technical. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll keep making quick guides that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.